Hi students, we're starting another little quick lab case study today. My first period students actually set it up for us. It's called How Does Acid Affect Shells? And at this point there's nothing you really need to write down, but it's a 24-hour lab where you set it up and then you look at it again tomorrow. So I just thought I would tell you about it now. So the lab calls for eggshells, but we didn't use eggshells. We used little actual marble chips, like pieces of rock, and you can see them here in these beakers. So in the first beaker, beaker A, we have nothing but pure distilled water. And so it's kind of our control group. Every good experiment has to have a control group. So there's just 10 milliliters of water here. At the far end, down here in beaker E, we have pure distilled white vinegar. It has a 5% acidity that you can see here on the label. Okay, so in between there are three other beakers. We've got beaker B, and it's 25% vinegar, but mostly water, 75% water. And then in the middle here we have a 50-50 ratio of vinegar to water, so equal parts. And then D, we have 75% distilled water and only D is 25% distilled water and 75% vinegar, so mostly vinegar. So we have no vinegar all the way to all vinegar. So I don't know if you can see it on the video or not very well, but there are some bubbles coming up from these beakers, from the rocks. So what do you think might happen? Well, what your first period classmates did is they took each marble or each rock, and they found the mass in grams before they put it in there, and we're making some predictions about what we think we'll see tomorrow. Will we have the same mass when we weigh them again? Will it be heavier, lighter? And we're going to relate this to acidity in oceans. So check back tomorrow if you're still at home on the video, and I'll post some more for you. Bye guys.